Hello, I'm going to guide you through starting to draw a landscape. You might have done your geography packet last week that talked about the study of the shapes of the earth and things that are on the earth. You might have started to learn about continents. Here's my little globe here of plastic, and it shows the continents of the world. There's Africa. In one of my videos, I forgot to mention Europe. Here's South America and North America where we live. Here's Australia. Here's Asia and Europe. And all around you see blue, blue, blue. Our huge oceans that are all connected. And the white, the clouds, because we have an atmosphere that gives us weather and keeps some of the sun's rays out and keeps some of our heat in. So we have this amazing world. First, I want you to watch the video about land and water forms on our planet Earth. It's 9 minutes long and it's really great, and it will remind you about the different shapes that land takes and the shapes and places that water goes on our planet. And then you'll be ready to get your art supplies set to do this landscape. It would be great if you either have a big piece of paper or you can tape or glue two pieces together with a little overlap. If there's tape, it should be on the back because the marker won't go over the tape. You can even get help to put 4 pieces together for a really big piece. And then you're ready to start your landscape. The way I want you to start, if you please will, is to get a pencil, something that you can erase, and follow along with my guidance. And there'll be plenty of room to finish it just the way you want and put lots of details of your own in there. So this is a whiteboard, not paper, but we're starting on the edge. We're going to start as though we're just taking a picture of part of a bigger place. So we're going to start around the middle of the side and go up to our highest mountain peaks. There are really high mountains, not right where we live, but you might have been up. So you start in the middle here and you sort of jaggedy go up to a peak and down, and you stop about there and then overlap. There's another peak behind that one, up a little shorter or a little higher, and come down, and then let this take you all the way down to where we're going to have the ocean. In front of these, let's pretend there are some rolling hills. So now you have a soft line, a curving line. You're going to see the front of that one, and another one again behind. And again, this is going to go down, down, and be under the ocean. Next, let's put some snowy peaks. You might have heard that the forests can't grow all the way up to the very tops of the highest peaks, but you can have snow up there. So do a jaggedy snow line on these. And next, you're going to use, you can use your pencil, or this is where you can grab some blue. You might want 2 different blues. We're going to start our streams way up in the mountains and just follow them down. And I'm going to let there be a lake that fills up right here where those come together. So let's just start a little blue line somewhere way up in the mountains and have it come down. And maybe another one from here. Have it come down. And then fill up a lake here. Now let this lake spill over, and you're going to make a bigger river here. It's going to get wider. And let's put some waves over here. If you have a different blue, you could use a different blue. Waves. And so this is the ocean. And the land is also under the ocean, so it's okay to have that come down there. I'm going to stop here, but you're going to keep going if you like, and you might need a dark green to put some of those conifer trees, lots in a forest here. If you saw my mountain book, you saw some rocks and fossils, so you could do some boulders, big boulders, black and browns up here. You could put some fossils. On lower down, you might have some broadleaf forests. You might use a lighter or medium green to show some different kinds of trees. Some of those on the hills, and you can have grassy hills. In the very front, maybe it's the flat plain or the meadow with light green grasses and flowers. You're going to fill in your water for your river and your ocean. You could put some ocean creatures in if you want. You can add some weather in the sky. Maybe there's a rainstorm, maybe there's sun. You can put some birds in the sky. I can't wait to see what you do. You're going to bring it Thursday if you have it. Thanks.